I bet you didn't know this. If the absolute value of 7x minus 2 is equal to the absolute value of 3x, what is the least possible solution? So for this question, we have an absolute value symbol on both sides of the equation. You could kind of think of the absolute value symbol as just turning any number positive. For example, if we had the absolute value of -1, the answer is just going to be 1. And if we took the absolute value of +2, the answer is going to be 2. So it takes any number positive. It makes any number positive. And when solving an equation with absolute value symbols, you turn that equation into two separate equations. The first equation is the same thing on both sides, except you remove the absolute value symbols. And then for the second equation, you keep one side the same. So I'm going to keep 7x minus 2 the same. But then we have to negate the other side. So instead of positive 3x, it's going to be negative 3x. And then we just solve. And so I'm going to move 7x to the other side by subtracting 7x on both sides. That's going to give us -2 is equal to -4x. To get x alone, we divide both sides by -4. X is going to be equal to positive 2 over 4 simplifies to 1/2. Same thing on this side. We subtract 7x on both sides. That's going to give us -2 is equal to -10x. Divide -10 on both sides. Again, it cancels out to a positive. 2 over 10 simplifies to 1/5. And the question asked for the least possible solution. So 1/5 is a smaller solution. That is the answer.